Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. Today we're going to explore Proxifier, a powerful tool that enables you to route the traffic of any program or software on your PC through proxy servers. This is incredibly useful for applications that lack native proxy support. Proxifier not only supports redirection via SOCKS 5 or HTTPS connection protocols, but also allows you to create proxy chains. Let's explore the main features of Proxifier. Proxifier is designed to work seamlessly on various operating systems, including Windows, Mac, and Android. Proxifier offers multiple DNS management options to suit your needs. You can stick with the system DNS settings, route your DNS requests through a proxy, or use a hybrid mode. The hybrid mode includes automatic discovery and the ability to manage exclusion lists. With support for advanced authentication protocols such as Kerberos and NTLM, Proxifier is well suited for business environments. This feature is particularly beneficial where network access needs to be securely managed across many users. And finally, users can tailor their network configurations with Proxifier's rules system. Proxifier provides permanent one-time licenses for Windows and Mac OS at a cost of $39.95, which includes free updates for all future versions. Additionally, bulk purchasing options offer substantial discounts. Buying 2 or more licenses reduces the price to $34.99 each. Purchasing 100 or more drops the price to $24.99 each, and for orders of 200 or more, special pricing arrangements are available for even greater savings. Now let's take a closer look at each element of the Proxifier interface. The Proxifier main window is organized into 4 main tabs: Connections, Traffic, Statistics, and Output. Let's explore each tab in more detail. The Connections tab provides a comprehensive list of all active connections that Proxifier is managing. The information is meticulously organized into several categories for easy monitoring. Applications shows which applications are initiating connections. Target displays target host addresses along with their port numbers. Time status indicates the time elapsed since the last status change of each connection. Rule proxy lists the name of the proxy rule applied and the address or location of the proxy server being used. The Traffic tab offers a visual representation of data transmission. Incoming traffic is represented in blue, while outgoing traffic is shown in green. Horizontal black lines mark the levels of data transmission speed. A white indicator displays the average transmission speed for the previously measured period. Tools in the context menu or toolbar allow you to adjust the frequency of chart updates, select the display type, and clear the chart. The Statistics tab collates and displays various metrics related to the Proxifier's operation: the total number of connections managed, active, recent, and total, the volume of data sent and received, the operating time of the program. Functions to copy statistics to the clipboard or reset all data are accessible via a right-click context menu. The Output tab functions as a real-time notification registry for Proxifier. Each entry includes the date and time of the recorded activity. Program names are listed along with an additional x64 icon and a process identifier where applicable. Targets, either hostname or IP address, are specified for each connection. Descriptions detail the type of activity occurring, for example, opening or closing a connection. Additional data such as connection statistics or error codes are also provided. Additionally, logs can be saved to a file, and the level of detail shown can be adjusted via the log command. The Proxification Rules tab allows you to define how each connection is handled, whether it's directing it straight through, routing it via a specific proxy or proxy chain, or blocking it entirely. The sequence of these rules is vital as the Proxifier processes them from top to bottom. Adjustments to the order are easy with the arrow buttons on the right side of the window, and rules can be modified by double-clicking or removed by pressing the delete key on your keyboard. The DNS configuration in Proxifier ensures that DNS queries which translate domain names to IP addresses are handled correctly. The setup allows you to specify exactly how and through which route DNS requests are made, essential for the proper operation of programs through a proxy server. Advanced settings in Proxifier offer additional options to increase the program's flexibility, optimize performance, and enhance security. Here you can adjust settings related to encryption, connection handling, and HTTP proxy configuration to suit your specific security standards and performance needs. By the way, you can find detailed instructions for setting up the proxy in the Proxifier using the annotation on the screen. Proxifier allows you to bypass the restrictions of local networks and firewalls for applications that do not support working through proxy servers. This capability ensures that you can use your preferred software without any limitations. By enhancing control over network activities, Proxifier not only boosts security, but also enhances anonymity. It routes all internet traffic through a single open port, making it particularly valuable for maintaining privacy in corporate settings. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company, Proxy-Seller. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell, and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.